This is my S20 Ultra, and I don't know if you can see, the glass is intact, but that's because I've just put a new glass on, but I've done it wrong. I took the old one off and left some slivers of glass just in. You can just see there's two tiny slivers of glass, or maybe you can't see, in the lenses, so I've got to take this off again and redo it. So I'll show you how I did it. First of all, I had to buy another one of these kits from Amazon. This costs about £7. I'll put a link in the description and I'll show you what it is. It is some anti-static tongs, pincers, a scalpel, a very sharp scalpel, very sharp, and the replacement screen with a backing. I didn't realise it had a backing. So when I took the original one off, I damaged the backing and I thought it were ruined, so I was a bit clumsy with it. Well, this has got a backing on it, and I'll show you as we go along. So that's off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. First things first, we need to break this. Oh, there's also a little cleaning cloth in there. Now when I break this and start taking it off, it will make a mess, so it's handy to have a nice clean surface where you can hoover it up, vacuum it up, or sweep it up easily. Let's get something to break it. I've got this garlic press, which is solid metal. You can of course use a sledgehammer if you like, or anything else. Now that's ruined. So the first thing I'm going to try and do is, I didn't do it yesterday, I did it with, the other day rather, I did it with the tweezers and the scalpel. I'm going to try and take this off a different way. You'd normally heat it up with a hairdryer, but I'm just going to put some duct tape on it. What I'm going to have to do now is get the scalpel and start picking away at all the glass. So I'll do that and I'll show you in a moment how it's done. I'll just try and zoom into this, you can see how it's coming off. Oh, this is doing good. I'd also advise you to put glasses on. Some sort of protective glasses. I've got glasses, but tons of tiny slivers of glass there. If you're not careful, it pops up and it will get you in the eye. Wow, that's come off in one piece almost. Excellent. There's lots of glass everywhere. The original one, when I did it, before I put this new one on, it took a lot longer to get all the glass off. Anyway, so that's the glass off. I think it's got everything off. That I left some little pieces in there the other day in these two lenses. Now you look at that and it looks an absolute mess because it was gouged the other day. It was gouged with these. But you'll find when you put the new piece on, it covers all those blemishes up. So I'll just tidy this up a little bit more now, make sure there's definitely no slivers this time. Right, so that is all cleaned up now. It looks a mess, but there's no glass slivers in the lenses or anything. So now we'll put this new piece of glass on. Oops. You take the blue piece off. Which is the face of it going down. And then off you go. You'll hear it snapping a little bit just there, and then push it firmly on, whip this off, give it a little polish with this cloth. And there's the new glass. So it's fairly easy. That came off nice and easy. The original one I did have to pick away quite a bit. But there's your new piece of glass on your S20 Ultra. I did damage, when I was scraping it originally, I scraped down that black edge there, so it silvered it a little bit. But as you can see, no cracks, and you can't see all those blemishes underneath. If this has been some use to you, please subscribe. I could do with getting over 1,000 subscribers. And I will put other little things on like this as and when. Ciao for now.